Here's your update on the skid steer. So wear and tear on the lines mean they were just bound to wear out. And got a new line put in that's crimped on both ends, and it's obviously rubber. So I'm gonna have to be careful of those steel lines rubbing. But we pissed all the hydraulic oil out at the property, so time to get some more in so we don't fuck anything else up. Wrong funnel. So y'all, I am not going to use a funnel. I am going to use this. Just pop this up here. Take the lid off. That's not gonna happen, I guess. Stick it right there for now. Okie doke. That goes in there. This thing goes right there. I should have known that the siphon was not going to work from the very beginning because the hydraulic oil temperature was outside air temperature, and here in Missouri that was about 60 to 70 degrees, I believe. So it just wouldn't have been possible to do that. Epic fail. The problem I ran into is that the viscosity of the oil is too high and it doesn't flow like water. And it's going. Also picked up a new tire. Okay, well, let's see if we actually have any oil on the dipstick. The answer is no, we don't. So, by the jug it is. Now you guys fell on me. Got it. Good. We can try that. Y'all, I really don't know how much I pissed out. Because the steel lines are on the output side, the pressure side, and yeah. It's like a 3/8 hose that has pressure on it, so I'll let y'all do the math on how much fluid I'm leaking per minute, per hour, and then yeah, how many minutes or hours till I'm dry. We're a hair under full. I'm just going to add just a little more just to be sure we are good. So, grab the lid for the hydraulic oil. Yep. Wait. Just do that. Then